Hey there, wealth builders. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super exciting and important for everyone: building wealth from nothing. Forget about winning the lottery or those get-rich-quick schemes. They almost never work out, trust me. We're going to break down this big dream into 15 simple, doable steps. Whether you're buried in student loans and credit card debt, or just starting fresh out of school, these steps are your ultimate guide to financial freedom. So, get ready. Like and subscribe the channel so you don't miss any future videos, and let's kickstart your journey to building wealth. Before we start investing or finding extra jobs, we need to set the basics. And that starts with setting clear money goals. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of just saying, "I want to save more," say, "I want to save $10,000 in 3 years." Clear goals give you direction, motivation, and a way to measure success. Write them down, make them visible, and let them guide you. Step 3 is all about budgeting. Think of your budget as your money plan. Write down what you earn and spend for a month. Use a spreadsheet or a budgeting app. Split your money for needs, savings, and debt. Focus and enjoy the process. Life can be unpredictable. Surprises can mess up your money plans. An emergency fund is your backup. Save enough for 3 to 6 months. It helps you feel calm. Avoid borrowing money in emergencies. Start small, it grows over time. You'll feel safer and more confident. Step 4. Conquering the dreaded debt monster. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, is a wealth killer. It's like a giant anchor weighing you down. Simple plans can help you pay off debt faster. Two popular ways are the snowball and avalanche methods. The snowball method pays off the smallest debt first, while the avalanche method tackles the highest interest rate debt first. Be consistent and disciplined. Pay more than the minimum amount. Think about a side job to earn extra money. Remember, getting out of debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Step 6. Becoming your own money expert. Getting rich isn't just about luck. It's about taking charge of your money. Learn about personal finance. There are great books, courses, and resources on saving, investing, and more. Some favorites include Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Total Money Makeover, and The Intelligent Investor. Be a sponge, soak up information, and keep learning. Step 7. The art of living below your means. Let's talk about something very important for building wealth: living below your means. I'm not saying you need to live like a monk and give up all fun. It's about being careful with your spending, focusing on your money goals, and enjoying experiences more than things. One big mistake people make is spending more as they earn more. As their income goes up, so do their expenses. The trick is to stop this cycle and live with purpose. Remember, living below your means isn't about giving up, it's about freedom. Step 8. Unleashing the power of multiple income streams. Let's be honest, depending on just one income can be risky. That's why it's important to have different ways to make money. The more ways you have to earn money, the safer your future will be. Think about starting a side job that matches your skills and interests. And don't forget about ways to make money without working all the time. These are ways to earn money even when you're not working. Think about making and selling online courses, writing an ebook, or investing in stocks that pay you regularly. By having different ways to make money, you'll build a safer and stronger financial future for you and your family. Step 9. Networking your way to success. You've heard it before, but it's worth repeating. Your network is your net worth. Making good connections with people in your field and beyond can open doors to great chances. Go to industry events, join professional groups, and connect with people on LinkedIn. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you look up to and ask for a chat to learn from them. Remember, networking isn't just about what you can get, it's about what you can give. Building real relationships takes time and effort, but the rewards can be priceless. Step 10. Taking calculated risks for big rewards. Building wealth often means taking smart risks. It's about leaving your comfort zone, grabbing chances, and making smart choices based on your risk level. Buying property, starting a business, or even changing jobs all involve some risk. But with good planning, research, and knowing the possible downsides, these risks can bring big rewards. Remember, the biggest risk is often not taking any risks at all. Step 11. The power of discipline and patience in wealth building. Building wealth is like running a long race. It takes time, effort, and a lot of discipline and patience. There will be ups and downs, market changes, and surprises. The key is to stay focused on your long-term goals and not get distracted by short-term problems. Build good money habits, keep making progress, and don't let emotions control your money choices. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Step 12. Reinvesting your earnings, the gift that keeps on giving. When you start making money from your investments, it can be tempting to spend it all. But if you want to grow your wealth faster, reinvesting your earnings is important. When you reinvest your earnings, you're buying more things that make more money. Over time, even small amounts of reinvested money can make a big difference in your returns. This will help you build wealth faster and reach your money goals sooner. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." This is very true for investing. Diversifying helps manage risk and protect your money from market ups and downs. Instead of putting all your money in one stock, bond, or property, spread it across different types of investments, industries, and places. Think about investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other options. You can also spread your money within each type of investment. By spreading your risk, you'll be better prepared for any financial trouble. Making a money plan is a good start, but you can't just leave it alone. Your money situation, goals, and comfort with risk will change, so it's important to check and change your plan often. At least once a year, look at your budget, see how close you are to your goals, and make any needed changes. Don't be afraid to ask a money expert for help if you need it. By checking and changing your plan often, you'll be ready for any money changes that come your way. Step 15. Building wealth isn't just about saving money for yourself, it's also about helping the world around you. Helping your community and supporting causes you care about can bring a sense of purpose and happiness that money can't buy. Whether it's giving money to your favorite charity, volunteering your time at a local group, or helping someone in need, there are many ways to give back and make a difference. Even small acts of kindness can inspire others to do the same. By helping others, you'll not only make the world better, but you'll also make your own life richer in ways you never thought possible. Thanks for sticking with me through these 15 steps to building wealth from scratch. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent steps over time that add up to big results. Don't get upset if you don't see results right away. Stay focused on your goals, stay disciplined, and never give up on your dreams of financial freedom. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content on personal finance, investing, and building wealth. Now go out there, take control of your money, and start building the life you've always wanted.